Our staff goes the extra mile to ensure our clients walk away happy and satisfied. So we're excited to share our latest rave review, written by one of our valued customers. And here's what one customer had to say about their experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with our team members and customers, and it's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it's a great testament to our commitment to customer satisfaction. And just like our customers, we're confident you'll appreciate our unmatched quality and attention to detail. Your satisfaction is our biggest priority, and we'll work very hard to get it. Simply call the number on your screen if we can help you. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.